how to claim cashback on Eneba. So if you want to claim cashback on Eneba, then to get started, of course, you need to make sure that you already have the Eneba application downloaded on your phone. Then next, you need to launch the app, and from here, you need to make sure that you're logged into your Eneba account and that your purchase is eligible for cashback. So as you can see, for you to be able to claim a cashback, you should first purchase anything from Eneba. And from your completed order, you should see a claim cashback button that you can tap, but some cashback becomes available after a short waiting period. So from this app, start adding an item to your cart and proceed with your purchase. And if the product is eligible for cashback, you should be able to get it from the notifications in this app. And once approved, your cashback appears in your Eneba wallet and is automatically applied at checkout. So that's pretty much. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.